I thought the man was the man of the house.
Yeah,
The man was supposed to
but-
take care of everybody.
Darling,
And now you just want to...
darling,
What's your problem?
darling, in this situation, I'll be the man. She should be the man for now.
Oh my goodness. When it comes to Swedish, anybody can be the man. Even you can be the man.
Now you are the man. Take over.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Yvonnelove Family. Say shout out to the fans.
Shout out, fam.
You're welcome back to Yvonnelove Family, where we bring you unfiltered contents, where we gotta share everything real and wrong. So today we have our teacher in the house.
Are you both ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I'm gonna be saying something in English, and you guys are gonna be repeating it in Swedish. And it's
Okay.
gonna be hard. Sentences.
It shouldn't be hard, please. You know it's getting.
Yeah, but we said we have learned, because she asked us before if we've been learning on by ourselves, and we said yes. So I guess that's why she's bringing hard questions now.
We've been learning by speaking English, right? Don't tell teacher that.
You guys know I hear you.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, sorry. Guys, leave it in the comment section. Share this video to your friends, to your families, and come join us on this episode of Learning Swedish with Yvonnelove Family. Okay, let's go. Bring it on. I'm ready. Have five. We are here
First
for you.
person
Okay.
that's gonna go first.
Okay.
Dad.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see.
So ready.
I'll get it.
Ready than ever. Okay. Dad,
Yes.
how do you say it in a sentence?
Okay.
I'm going to school.
Jag går till skolan. Jag går till skolan.
7 out of 10.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
We just started. I'm going to school, right?
Yes.
Jag vill gå till skolan. How many?
7.5.
Okay. I got 7 and she got 7.5. Okay.
Let's hear the right answer.
So what's the right answer to that then?
Jag vill gå till skolan.
Jag vill gå till skolan.
Yes, and you say go.
Aha.
That's in English.
Okay.
Jag vill gå till skolan.
So go is go.
Gå.
Yeah.
Jag vill gå till skolan. Lockdown. I got that.
Lockdown. That's why you always say lockdown.
Jag
And at the
vill
end of the
gå
day,
till skolan. Jag vill gå till jobbet.
it says school.
Yeah, I'm just trying to. Jag vill gå till köket.
Don't worry. Let her ask
I got
questions.
this, guys. I'm just trying to flex the muscles.
Who hears him saying it, they will say he's so good at it. Bring it on and fire down.
Okay,
Ooh.
it's the second round.
Okay.
And you guys need to lock in.
Of
Because
course.
this is going to be a little bit hard.
All right.
Bring it on. I'm ready.
Let's do this.
I want to go and take a shower.
That's for her, right?
Yes.
Okay. Because I said this very easy. Very, very easy.
How about let's see if you go first?
Yeah, but teacher, you ask her first, right?
But you said it's
But it's very easy. I don't want to say it so that you don't get it. So let's see.
I thought we were one.
Of course we were one, but right here we are two. Right here.
Okay, let me try.
Mhm.
And I'm going to school.
No.
Going to take a shower.
Okay. Jag vill go ho douche.
7 and
7. Okay, guys, smash it. Smash it. I know it's easy for you.
Very easy, but you just said what I wanted to say.
No.
Literally speaking.
No.
Jag vill gå har min dusch.
Jag vill gå home med douche.
Teacher, am I right?
8 out of 10.
That's what I'm talking about. Pam, pam,
But
pam.
you didn't get it 10.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Did I miss one letter? Did I miss something?
You missed one word.
One word. Okay, can you please tell me that word that I missed?
Okay, the real way to say it is jag vill gå och ha min dusch.
Jag vill gå har min dusch.
Ja.
Wow.
I am going to have a shower.
My shower.
My shower?
Shower, yeah. I'm going to get a shower, yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
it's like the same.
Yeah, like maybe various way to say it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I'm saying. In the south,
What sound? Swedish guy. The Swedish has the southern part or
in the southern part of Sweden that is close to Oslo.
Where did Oslo come from?
Yeah, close there. That's how we say Jag vill gå har min dusch. In the south, that's how they say it.
Guys,
Maybe here that we are.
Oslo.
No, like in the border close to Oslo. You know?
guys, if you're Swedish, please come for him. Let us know what he's saying, if it's correct. I don't know if Sweden
My
will have
fans
the
know it. They
northern
know
part
it. They
or
know
the
it.
eastern part.
In the north, it's different. In the north, it's going to be like you're speaking French when they sing. French, the accent.
Where did French come from?
Yeah, the accent.
I thought we're in Swedish program.
Definitely, we're in Sweden and we're having a Swedish class right now. But in the north and the south, you know, they have the different ways of like when they are saying it and the accent, you know. But but let me not confuse you guys.
Don't confuse us, please. My
Okay,
goodness.
moving on. Question number 3 goes to her also because she didn't get that one.
Yeah, but now it's past.
All right, let's go. Okay.
I want to go and watch TV.
Let's have it. Let's have
This is right.
I'm just laughing because I just smashed it, you know. Jag vill gå kolla TV.
I thought you said it was easy.
That's what happens when you are so confident that you can do it.
This is not my super.
7.5 out of 10.
Even me that is not that good at Swedish, I know you are not correct.
Really?
Yes.
Jag vill titta på TV.
Let me
Still
answer.
7.5 out of 10.
I am going to watch TV, right? Jag vill gå kolla på TV.
9 out of 10.
Okay.
Upon all the hyping.
Jag vill titta.
Kolla, titta.
It's like the same thing.
Exactly.
But let us teach you the way to say it
Okay.
properly. Jag vill gå kolla på TV.
Jag vill kolla på
Jag vill
TV.
gå.
Jag vill gå kolla på TV.
I am going to. That going
Jag
is
vill.
always go.
Goa. Jag vill gå.
Jag vill gå och kolla på TV.
They even added ok inside.
I'm going to and watch TV.
I want to go watch TV.
Oh,
Jag vill
okay.
gå kolla på TV.
Jag
Okay,
vill
not
kolla
jag
på
vill gå kolla
På
TV.
Oh, it's the same.
Okay. So moving on, the last question, which is number 5, right, for today.
Who told you it's the last? We're just starting.
Guys,
Are you guys tired?
No.
Let us know in the comment section.
We
if
have
you're
3
tired.
more questions.
3 more
left.
questions left. Okay.
And we haven't even gotten anywhere.
No.
Like we're just in the base. I'm really excited for this next question.
All right.
That goes to
Bring it out. Bring
Mom.
it out. Yeah.
Let's hear it.
My
let's hear
dad
it.
loves this.
Uh-huh.
I want to go and eat food.
All right. She said my dad loves it, which means my dad knows how to say
No,
it. Right?
like you love food. That's what she meant.
That's not what she meant. Yeah, that's not what she meant. She meant to say that my dad knows how to say this in Swedish, you know. But you can just bring it up. I wait.
I am going to eat food, right?
Yes.
Jag vill gå äta mat.
9 out of 10.
Smash it, finish it.
Jag vill. Should I say?
Say it.
Well, I want to go and eat food.
Guys, check this out. Check this out.
Just say the right answer.
Jag vill äta mat.
You just say, I am going.
Jag vill.
I want to eat food.
Jag vill gå och äta mat.
So everything you say now you want to be adding go and go out.
Is it? I want to go and eat food.
Yeah, you said I want to go and eat food.
What did you say just now?
I said jag vill gå och äta mat.
She got it right.
Like 9 out of 10.
Well, yeah, 10.
So it's not
give
that
her 10.
correct.
Just give her 10. Give her 10.
No, it's almost correct.
Okay.
You just missed one word.
Okay. So
okay.
How do they say it then?
Have you said it?
Yeah, you said.
We said the same.
No. Mine is 9. I guess you have 2 over 10 or so.
Yeah, but we said the same thing.
No.
Jag vill gå och äta mat. That's what
we can have a replay. Let's hear what he said. No cheating.
All right.
You got a 8 out of 10.
Oh, that's good.
The real way to say it. Jag vill gå och äta mat.
Jag vill gå och äta mat.
Yeah.
I am going.
I want to go and eat food.
Jag vill gå och äta mat.
Yeah.
Do we have to put and inside? Like because is and.
Because what did I say? I want to go and eat food.
Yes.
I want to go and eat food.
And is up.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when you want to put it in a sentence, we have to say jag vill gå
äta mat. Must you put the ok?
Yeah.
Yes, because it's and. I want to go and eat food.
Okay.
Jag vill gå och äta mat.
Okay. Bravo.
It's Swedish.
Okay. We'll get there someday. Yes, someday. Okay. Moving on.
Our next question goes to Dad.
Bring it out.
I think you need to be very ready for this.
All right. Just bring it on.
This is the hardest of all the hardest.
Okay. If you say so.
Okay. I want to go and walk my dog.
But I don't have a dog, man. I never have a dog. Why should I go walk a dog? Yo, here you go. I don't have a dog. But she's laughing nice, like she knows it.
Just answer it.
Even me, I almost don't know, but I figured it out.
Oh, I need to figure it out, you know, because I don't have a dog.
I want to have him here. I want to
Dogs are very, very lovely pets, but guys, I don't have a dog.
Yeah,
so,
but just answer the question. It doesn't have to be if you have a dog or not.
I mean, it sounds easy when I have a dog, right? Then I would know that, okay, I'm going to walk a dog, you know, but...
Guys, this is a reality show. You need to have proper walking show, guys.
Okay. Honestly, I don't know that.
So you just want to force it out? You don't want to try?
I can't.
0 out of 10.
Thank you. That's
Now,
I'm alive.
so you know, this question is counting on you.
All right.
Your life.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna help her out. I know. I'm gonna help her out.
You don't know it. You want to help me out.
I could help you out because it's not everything that I have to say. You know, I want you guys to get some. You know.
These people are
I
cows.
thought the man was the man of the house.
Yeah, but-
The man was supposed to
But
take care of everybody.
darling,
And now you just want to...
darling,
What's your problem?
darling, this situation, I'll be the man. She should be the man for now.
Oh my goodness. When it comes to Swedish, anybody can be the man. Even you can be the man.
Now you are the man. Take over.
You can be the man. Okay, okay, let me try. I'm going to walk my dog, right? Jag vill gå promenade med min hund.
I want to go and walk my dog.
Jag vill gå promenade med min hund.
9.5 out of 10.
Wow. Bravo.
Yeah, I almost got it.
I gave her.
You said the correct word, but you not say it like neatly.
Okay.
Okay, can you say it with English? Yeah, I like to let that.
Jag vill gå promenad med min hund.
Promenade. And I said promenade.
Promenade. Oh, shit.
Promenade.
Yeah, that
Sounds like
it's
Italian.
Italian or Spanish.
Promenade.
Thank you for staying with us. And let us know in the comment section what you've learned today.
And also if she has done well.
Yeah, and what you want us to teach about. You can always leave words on the comment section. Like,
Yes.
okay, the ones we didn't say right, or the
You
ones
can
we
also
didn't
help
say
us to say them right
Feedback is
also.
always
Yeah.
necessary. So
We love to learn. We're open to learn. We're learning every day.
Because even me, sometimes I don't know.
Yeah.
It also teach me.
Yes. That's right. That's right.
So
That's right.
thank you so much for watching.
Yes.
We hope to see you next time on our next episode on Learning Swedish with Yvonnelove Family.
Yes.
See you in our next episode.
And peace out.
Peace. Bye.